In this video, we're going to be looking at solving equations involving indices. Now, if you have to solve these equations, so if you look at the first one there with 5 to the power of x equal to 5 to the power of 7. Now, it's important to know that if a to the power of x is equal to a to the power of y, then x is equal to y. So, what we can do, we can, let's say, cancel off the bases, so then x is equal to 7. Same with the next one, so we can actually cancel off the bases because they're the same. So then x plus 6 is equal to 5. So then we can bring the 6 to the other side, it becomes minus 6. So x equals 5 minus 6, so x equals minus 1. Okay, now in this one we can see that our bases are not the same, but our base on the left is 3. So I need to make 81 into a base of 3. So I know that 3 to the power of 3 is 27, so it's not that. So let's try 3 to the power of 4. So that would be equal to 81. So now I can substitute in 3 to the power of 4 instead of 81. So that means 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 4. So then the bases can cancel. So then x equals 4. Now, same with the next one. So I can see I have a base of 4 on the left. So I need to make 64 into a base of 4. So let's see. So 4 squared is 16. So it's not that. 4 to the power of 3 now. That is equal to 64. Okay, so let's substitute that in. So 4 to the power of x equals 1 over 4 to the power of 3. Now, using your rules of negative indices, this can be written as 4 to the power of minus 3. So 4 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of minus 3. The bases cancel, so x equals minus 3. Okay, for this one here, so now from looking at these, you should recognize that 9 can be written as 3 squared and 27 can be written as 3 cubed. So 3 squared equals 9, 3 cubed equals 27. So let's replace that 9 and put in 3 squared. So I'll have 3 squared, then that's multiplied by 2x minus 5, so I'm going to use brackets, equals now 3 cubed. Now, I can see the bases are the same, so they can cancel. So now I have 2 times 2x minus 5 equal to 3. So expanding the brackets, we'll have 4x minus 10 is equal to 3. So we're going to 10 across, it'll be plus 10. So 4x is equal to 3 plus 10. So 4x equals 13. So x equals 13 divided by 4. So x is equal to 3.25. Okay, if you want to check your answer, you could sub 3.25 back in and see does it equal to 27. Okay, so last one here. So I can recognize that square root can be also written as to the power of a half. So square root of 8 can be written as 8 to the power of a half. So I could write this as 8 power of x minus 2 is equal to 8 to the power of a half. Then the bases can cancel. So then x minus 2 is equal to a half. Minus 2 goes across. So then x is equal to a half plus 2. So x is equal to 2.5 or 2.5. Okay, another way we could have done that is I could have changed everything to the base of 2. So 8 power of x minus 2 is equal then to 8 to the power of a half. So 8 can be written as 2 cubed. So I could have written 8 to the power of x minus 2 as 2 cubed then x minus 2 equals then 2 cubed times a half. Bases cancel. So we have 3x minus 2 is equal to 3 over 2. So 3x minus 6 is equal to 3 over 2. Minus 6 goes across. So then I'm going to have 3x is equal to 6 plus 3 over 2. So 3x is equal to, that's going to be 7.5. X then equals 7.5 divided by 3, which is also going to equal 2.5. So we can see the second way is a lot longer, but it's just handy to know how I did it as well. Okay, so that's solving equations with indices.